Science, we're in the nervous system now.
You are in the nervous system.
Yeah.
Oh my God. I'm grade 5 and they're already teaching me nervous system. So I'll be asking you a question on the nervous system. Let me know if you are really listening to your teacher or not. They're just teaching or you're actually learning.
I'm actually learning stuff.
Okay, we shouldn't argue about that. See, you guys, I'm doing the work. I think I should go. I'm doing the work. Let me look for your bucket.
Yeah, you put this in the dirty bag. This one is every system that helps us breathe. As from the lungs to the nose to the larynx.
I know one is called the alveoli, left lobe, right lobe, trachea. The trachea is right here, alveoli is right here, bronchus right here, bronchus right here.
So you know the laws. Oh my God. Let's not leave cleaning. Let's continue with cleaning. We are going to talk about this.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we're going to be cleaning our room. You like and subscribe, ring the notification bell, and hope you enjoy all the videos that we'll be making. Also, I don't think really the purpose of this, but let's do this.
I don't know.
Why you say you don't know the purpose? The purpose of this is to motivate other children to also clean up their rooms.
Yeah,
that is the purpose of this. Okay, let's get into the video. I'm going to be assisting guys in this session. All the stuff we don't need, I'm going to be getting
And
rid of them.
Get rid of this. It's good. There my head's cleaning. That's just cleaning.
Do you say you hate cleaning?
No.
But you like making mess of your room, then you don't like to clean it?
Yeah, it's just so easy.
So who will clean it for you after making mess? You are no more a baby, so you should learn how to do
Okay,
it,
now let's.
that you will not become liability to your future wife.
Ah, don't say that.
Why?
I just want to record that. Edit that later.
Okay. Oh no, are you actually doing something or you are just leaving your brother to do it?
No, I'm doing the big stuff.
What big stuff?
Yeah, done.
Wow. All clean.
Why not do this? I
No,
don't know
let's try
colors.
this one.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I feel like a big cloth. Ah,
That's so close. Wait. Before I do this, hey people, see it? That's so gross. I'm gonna trash it.
yeah.
That's just nasty.
I know, right? Hey, let's go.
Okay.
Let's push this thing. Don't see it. See, you guys are holding me. Push it on this side.
Wait, mommy, you should still use this. It says our emotions. But last time when I was crying, I was all the way up to here and it was so cool.
When you are crying?
Yeah.
What?
When I was 9, that's
Oh, let me check what you see. What is that here?
You still need this.
These are your past class. Past class, you don't need it. You need a wrap to be.
Daddy can help us.
That's Eddie's.
Are you still using it? You never color this thing.
I don't like color. I don't really like color.
Yeah, I hate color. I prefer drawing.
Same.
But I never actually see what you draw. If you get drawing, but
Oh,
you stop
tracing.
having drawn. Let's see what you have drawn.
Alright.
Can you show me
But
your
that's the
drawing?
problem with me.
Or the
I
color.
like drawing.
Let me
but
see
I
your
don't have
drawing
any
book.
idea of
Let me see your
drawing.
drawing book. How can you say you love something and you don't like the idea?
No, I don't have any idea.
The remote, this will be used for
Wow.
stuff.
You tried now. Look at what is this one you draw? This one is what?
The digestive system.
You draw it and you label it.
Mhm.
What is the digestive system?
The system that allows us to eat and that allows us to eat properly.
And digest our food, that's why it's called the digestive system.
And help us to digest our food. Yeah. Then this one is
This one is every system that helps us breathe.
and what is it called?
As from the lungs to the nose to the larynx.
I know one is called the alveoli, left lobe, right lobe, trachea. The trachea is right here, alveoli is right here, bronchus right here, bronchus right here.
So you know the laws. Oh my God. Let's not leave cleaning. Let's continue with cleaning. We are going to talk about this.
My class learn about the body in science. We're in the nervous system now.
You're in the nervous system.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm not grade 5 and they're already teaching me nervous system. So I'll be asking you a question on the nervous system. Let me know if you are really listening to your teacher or not. They're just teaching or you're actually learning.
I'm actually learning stuff.
Okay, we shouldn't argue about that. See you guys, I'm doing the work. I think I should go. I'm doing the work. Let me look for your bucket.
Yeah, you put this in the dirty bag.
Let me help you.
Wait.
Assist you to make your bed.
No, I can do one stupid one.
You can do it. So now I'm just going to finish up the cleaning.
Should we trash the bags?
Huh?
Should we have trash the bag?
I used to do
Did
this.
you trash it?
No.
It's okay. Hey, I told you to sweep. Yeah, you see, I see how some this dirt to sweep out. You're supposed to put this
Well, I'm
broom.
trying my hardest, okay?
And no, but you're supposed to put your broom.
Okay, this is done.
You guys try it. I'm just finishing it, okay? Always do this all the time.